Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm happy to see you guys back, and today I'm gonna take you around the Dubai Airshow 2025. Remember guys, I was here last year, but I'm here again to explore and enjoy the new technologies which I'm gonna be showing you guys around. Look at that, whatever is behind me, that's an electric aircraft. So you can only imagine what to expect. So stay tuned and enjoy the vlog. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here at Dubai Airshow 2025 and this year is massive. It's not just cool planes, there's big industry shaping news, blockbuster aircraft orders, defense deals, and future flying tech everywhere. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll take you through the top aircraft, the major announcements, and what's next for aviation. Are you guys ready? I believe you are. All right. Just to enlighten you all, the Dubai Airshow 2025 is taking place at the Dubai World Central, which is the Al Maktoum International Airport, from the 17th of November to the 21st of November, with about 1,400 plus exhibitors from nearly 100 countries and over 180 aircrafts. It's one of the biggest aerospace events on the planet, believe it or not. A real global crossroad for civil aviation, defense, space tech, and advanced mobility. Guys, I'm telling you, this is massive. Now, let's talk big news, guys. Yeah, here are some of the most important deals and reveals made during the show so far. All right, let's begin with Emirates. Emirates placed a huge $38 billion order for 65 Boeing 777-9 aircrafts, reinforcing its commitment to the 777X family. Yeah? They also announced that they will roll out the Starlink Wi-Fi across its fleet, starting with the 777 and later the A380s. So let's not forget about Fly Dubai. They made a particular bold move by signing a memorandum of understanding for up to 150 Airbus's A321neo jets, marking the first time they're ordering Airbus aircrafts. If you know Fly Dubai, they're currently flying the Boeing 737 aircrafts, all right? They also announced that they will equip the fleet with Starlink internet beginning 2026. Now, let's talk about the Etihad, which is the national carrier. Yeah? They also confirmed a multi-aircraft Airbus deal, including the A350s 1000, A330s 900 neos, and the A350 fighters via a mix of orders and leases. So that is great for the company. All right. For a second, let's talk about the UAE defense. Yeah, the Ministry of Defense signed contracts worth $1 billion across multiple local companies for spare parts, aircraft support, parachutes, and many more. All right. Now, the UAE showcased a Khalidus B250, a light attack aircraft fully designed and manufactured by the Emirati engineers. How cool is that? Guys, Dubai is not all about glam. They got brains too. So you guys should come around and watch out for all of these Emirati engineers who they got the brains, you know. That is awesome, man. There's also one thing I want to talk about, the UAV innovation, because at the show, the Underreal and the Edge revealed their Omen, which is the hybrid electric tail-seater UAV capable of vertical takeoff and efficient forward flight. So this is an amazing experience. I saw things that I didn't expect. I discovered things that I learned new things, you know. So I would urge you guys, next Dubai Air Show, you better be there. It is worth it. Trust me, especially if you're in the tech industry, you must come here. So let's talk about engines for a second, yeah? A key player here is Rolls-Royce. While they weren't confirmed new aircraft orders tied to hydrogen, the company highlighted engine upgrades optimized for the desert operations and teased a hydrogen engine concept, signaling a real push towards sustainable propulsion in the Gulf region. That is something very unique and important, especially in the Gulf region, yeah? So if we also want to talk about the air taxis, one of the biggest themes this year was the Advanced Air Mobility Dubai Aviation, which showed off its electric vertical takeoff aircraft, the eVTOL, which is getting close to commercial air taxi operations in Dubai. These air taxis could transform how people move around the city in just a few years. This is futuristic, guys. I feel like I'm living in 2030 already whilst we're in 2025. Damn, how cool is this?
It is a mock-up, so not functional.
Not functional.
No, just to give you an idea about the space and the comfort.
So can only accommodate four?
So that's our current design. Is we want to make sure we can fit four very comfortably, plus all their baggage.
Show isn't just about aircraft. Space innovation is front and center. With a dedicated space pavilion, you'll find satellite technology, AI-driven space systems, and deep discussions about sustainability, advanced propulsion, and space as a service, yeah? All these drone services and all not. So, the Wi-Fi connectivity race is on. Apart from Emirates and Fly Dubai rolling out the Starlink installation, other airlines are also onboarding the same concept. Plus, airlines are now showing off the cabin tech, predictive maintenance platform, and many more. And you can feel that the next generation of air travel is not just about getting from point A to B, but how seamless the journey feels, yeah? For a second, let's forget about all of that and focus on defense. UAE isn't holding back. Local firms bagged major contracts, and on top of that, there is high-tech UAE innovation, which I mentioned earlier, the Omen UAV, with its hybrid electric design. It's being pitched as a long-range, efficient drone ready for real missions. Yo! Plus, we saw the Kalidas B250 that I mentioned earlier as well, a serious light attack plane, showing just how advanced Emirati aerospace has become. Yo! I don't know what to say, but guys, this is just epic. Alright, enough of indoor displays. Here in the static display area, you'll spot some jaw droppers, from ultra-modern 777-9s to fighters and even futuristic eVTOLs. With so many major orders being unveiled here, this showground feels like a live business card for the future of aviation. Yo, when you guys are gonna make me start speaking Afrikaans now, yeah? Anyway, there's also a killer flying program, the Al Fursan Aerobatic team, that made headlines by flying their new Hongdu L-15 trainer jets, a big modernization step, yeah? And then there are other international teams performing jaw-dropping stunts, a real showcase of what modern military and trainer aircrafts can do. Guys, I am in disbelief, and I am enjoying every single bit of this. So guys, make a point of coming around next year if there will be another air show, right? I know some of you may question, why is this airshow such a big deal? Because it's not just a display, it's where deals worth tens of billions happen, yeah? Emirates and Fly Dubai are making huge fleet bets. The UAE is building its own defense and aerospace muscle, and advanced mobility like the eVTOLs is no longer just a hype, it's real business, guys, yeah? This show is a launchpad for the future of aviation, and what happens here will shape how we fly in the next decade, right? So that's a wrap on my Dubai Airshow 2025 tour. It's been incredible to witness not just the coolest aircraft, but the real industry transformation. If you liked this breakdown and want more coverage, say, defense tech or airline orders, hit the like and subscribe button and drop a comment with what you want next, okay? Thank you for flying with me today. See you in the next show. Adios.